Welcome to another video from French with Basu. If you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and leave your comment in the comment section. In my last two videos, I have explained phonetics. It's been a long time that I couldn't upload any videos. And now I am back thanks to Abhinaba. In this video, I will talk about some expressions which we need in our day-to-day conversations. Hope you will enjoy this video. Okay, so first expression for you. Bonjour. Repeat after me. Bonjour. Learning French language should start with this expression. Bonjour. So bonjour means it's a formal way to say good morning, good day, hello or hi. Unless there is sun outside, you can greet bonjour to anyone. It's a formal way to greet someone in French. When you meet them for the first time in the day, you can say bonjour with a smile. Second expression is salut. So you can say salut to those whom you address tu in French. Whom do you address tu? You address tu to them who are acquainted to you, who maybe live near to your house, whom you frequently meet. Otherwise, they could be your family member, they could be your colleagues, your friends, etc. So those whom you address tu, you can tell them salut when you meet them for the first time in the day. Salut means hello or hi. It's an informal way to greet someone in French when you meet them for the first time in the day. Number 3, bonsoir. Bonsoir means good evening. 4, bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Good night. Next, enchanté. So when you meet someone and you want to say them nice to meet you, or when you are in a party and you want to say cheers, so you use this expression enchanté. Number 6, merci. Merci. Merci means thank you. Merci means thanks. Or else you can say merci beaucoup means thanks a lot. So in reply to thanks, what do you say in English? You can say welcome, mention not, it's my pleasure. So one of the options is mention not. It is de rien in French. Repeat after me. De rien. De rien, which means mention not. Number 9, le plaisir est pour moi. This expression also you can use in the reply to thanks. Le plaisir est pour moi. Le plaisir est pour moi, which means the pleasure is mine. Number 10, you can also say je vous en prie to those whom you address vous. For example, who are elder to you or whom you want to show some respect. So you can tell them je vous en prie. Je vous en prie, which means I beg it of you. Or those whom you address tu, you can also say je t'en prie, je t'en prie. So you are showing your politeness and you are replying to their merci. You can say je vous en prie or je t'en prie. Number 11, bienvenue. Bienvenue means welcome. When you are inviting someone to your house and they are entering to your house, and you can say bienvenue, bienvenue. Number 12. So there's a good way to close a conversation saying plaisir partagé. It's very popular among French people to say plaisir partagé. Plaisir means pleasure and partagé means shared. So pleasure is shared. Happiness is shared. So when you say plaisir partagé, you mean that you want to close the conversation. Volontiers. Volontiers means gladly. So you are approving to someone's demand or request or anything, a question, for example. So you can say volontiers, which means you say yes, gladly. If someone is offering you something and you want to say yes, gladly, you can say volontiers. Volontiers. Number 14. It's the most popular expression in French. Voila. When you can say voila, voila means here you go, here it is, there you are, here it goes, etc. When you try to remember something and finally you remember it, so you say voila. So you remembered something, for example. Désolé. Désolé means sorry. Désolé means sorry. Number 16. To the reply of désolé, you can say ce n'est pas grave. Ce n'est pas grave. Ce n'est pas grave means it's not an issue, it's not a big deal, etc. Or also you can say pardon means pardon me. So you are asking for their pardon, you are begging for their pardon, and you can say pardon. Or also you can say excusez-moi to those whom you address vous, and excuse-moi to them whom you address tu. Excusez-moi or excuse-moi. Number 17. D'accord. D'accord means alright or okay. Number 18. Très bien. Très bien. Très bien. Which means very good. Très bien means very good. Excellent. Excellent means excellent. 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 When you are departing or you want to close a conversation, you can say au revoir. Au revoir means goodbye. It is one of the options for the pronunciation. There are many other options as well which you can follow. But I prefer saying au revoir. Au revoir. À bientôt. À bientôt. À bientôt means see you soon. À bientôt means see you soon. Another expression which you can say for this, à plus tard. À plus tard, or in short, à plus. À plus tard or à plus. Another option for you, à la prochaine. Till next time. À la prochaine. See you soon. À la prochaine. For example, you are going to meet someone on Wednesday or coming Saturday. So you can say à mercredi. See you on Wednesday. À mercredi. À mercredi. Or you can say à samedi. À samedi. See you on Saturday. So this much for today. Meet you in my next video with some new expressions in French. If you are learning French language as a beginner, check these videos. And always remember, la langue française, c'est très facile.